Hi everyone. Right. So this time on my journey on Excel, I decided to create an invoice generator. So this is the invoice generator. That is something which can be used to generate invoices. So you as a business person and have some clients you deal with, you can use this and generate invoices for free without any subscription. You just need an Excel or the Microsoft Office on your computer and you generate invoices. So how does this work? So here is the invoice template, right? So you have like your own address here, just fabricated address, the your name, your business name and logo, just fabricated. That's actually my logo there, right there. And then yeah, you have like an invoice number, you have the date, which is today, of course. I just use the today function, as you can see, and then maybe what you're dealing with, the kind of business you're in, and then here is an example of one of your clients. That is the client's details, where you have the client's name, the address, the client's own company, if they have their own company, maybe the phone number and their email address, right? So this is the invoice, and there's another sheet here which contains the clients. So this time I just had to make four fictitious clients with their company, address, email, their name. I just put proprietor, that's the owner of the business, of course, and their phone numbers, right? So these are them. Now, all of these names here, in fact, all of the details here have been linked to this invoice, whereby when I come here under the name, like right here, we have Curtis Jackson. And this is Curtis Jackson here, the last one. And these are their details, company, address, email, and all that. And you can see them here as well. So if I change just Curtis Jackson to maybe Adam Sandley, we have all their details too. Adam Sandley, the address is 24 Homes, company is ABC Index. Adam Sandley, as you can see, 24 Homes, ABC Index, and the rest. Right, so XLOOKUP was used to link them to the invoice. So you don't have to be filling the details. All you need to do is just fill in the customer's details here. And when you're trying to generate an invoice, you just tap the name and the rest of the details will pop up. Very easy. And then here are the items or the section for items bought by the customer, the totals, tax, all this can be changed based on your country's tax rate and all that. And maybe you granted some kind of discount. Everything here is can be modified based on your needs, right? Then the fun part is there are two buttons, as you can see here. One is you saving the invoice as a PDF, and another is emailing the invoice directly to the client. This is the fun part. So Macros VBA was used to create these buttons, and if you want to save this as a PDF, you can just click on save as PDF, and as you can see, voila, that's an invoice for Adam Stanley in a printable format, and I can choose to save it, and that's it. Choose any location and I save it, right? And in case you want to email it directly to the customer concerned, you just touch on the email invoice button, and that's it. So it requires that I set up the Outlook email account, which I haven't done, but that's just to show that it works perfectly. So for someone who has already set up their Outlook email account, one simple touch on the email invoice is going to take you straight to the email account for you to just type whatever you want to type. The file will be attached automatically, and boom, you can send this stuff directly to the client. So that's the invoice generator. And on the other sheet, I used the XLOOKUP on these sections right here, right down. So much that if you have more clients, you can add them and they will be automatically synced to the invoice sheet, right? So I did it up to, I think, the 10,000 row, right? In case you might need some more sections, they can still be modified, and you know, everything is possible, right? So that's what I had for you today. Thank you for watching, and please share. Bye.